Hi, my name is Ksenya. I'm a teacher with a focus on environmental issues. I provide lessons to the children on the amazing world of nature. The children study features of animals like nutritional and physiological aspects. For example, do you know what makes a wolf nose unique? It can smell something at a distance of 10 kilometers. The human hardly ever can smell a bread in the next street. We study the fascinating world of animals. What do you know about wolves and hippos? Why do hare or elephant ears so big? Children in my lessons can find the answer to all these and many other questions. We are not talking about pollution, garbage, and other things that killing animals. We emphasize on the best in the world around us. Each of our online lessons is a small journey to a specific part of our planet. As a rule, I text from 20 to 30 minutes. During lessons, I show colorful pictures and ask children so they can not only learn but train their intelligence. By trial and error process, we are together arrive at right answers. So children learning a lot of new and interesting things. They not only begin to love nature and show a careful attitude towards it, but develop their communication and analytical skills. As a rule, children expect every new lesson with impatience and excitement. One of the lessons you can watch on my YouTube channel. Here you can see the link. Lessons about the nature for children. I will be glad if my online classes would be interesting for your children. Have a nice day, Ksenia.